Hi guys, it's your girl Tamika Renee and I'm back with another video. So right now I'm eating some flats, all flats, you know, chicken. That was cooked through the air fryer, cooked in the air fryer, and then a garden salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, and lettuce. I'm bring this hot sauce over here too. It's looking pretty good, you guys. I'm still at my mama's house, so I put salt and pepper on the salad and some ranch season, some ranch dressing. I don't know what I'm thinking about, guys, but I'm kind of happy because I just got off work and I had to talk a lot. So, yeah. At this point, I'm tired of talking, so.
I love eating tomatoes.
And let me get this water. Even though it's not cold, I still need to drink water. Oh my gosh, guys. I haven't seen you guys in forever. Like, oh my gosh. I need to take down my hair. I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. It's horrible. Jamarion, stop. Half pint.
Mommy!
Hush. Here, go throw it away and get down. You can go in your room now. Bye.
Bye, Mimi.
Okay, guys, I got a bottle of water. Okay. Set up right here. Let's push this back a little bit. Bad. I can't name a nigga who want it bad as me. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and dig in. I love a good salad. Jamarion, you better stop. Okay. I don't know. Let's go ahead and put some more sauce on there. On that chicken. On the chicken. You guys know what hot sauce I use, which is Tapatio, but ain't nobody mess with that hot ass hot sauce. I'm using this right now. Okay. Okay. Now, how you guys' day been? Mine's has been good, okay. So far, I'm off Saturday and Sunday, so I'm happy. My son's birthday is next month, on the 16th. Alright, so it's on the 16th. Next week I'm off Wednesday and Saturday, and then the next week after that I called off for Thursday and Friday. I put my PTO in, and I'm happy because it's close to my son's birthday. My son's birthday is on Sunday, so I like to do stuff on people's birthdays, so we might have to do it on Sunday. Last year we went to Chuck E. Cheese. This year, we might go to Chuck E. Cheese again. Because we're out here where my mom is at. That salad good. So, back to what I was saying. Right here where my mom is at, and they have a little Chuck E. Cheese down the street from where she's at. So I'm like, that'd be perfect, but I want to see how I look on the inside because I mean, the littleness would be perfect for him, but I did want to do something different for his birthday this year. But I don't mind going back to Chuck E. Cheese. If he had fun, then we can go again and have fun again. Because the thing is, he don't go a lot. Like, I can count on my fingers how many times he went in this life. And I think it was only 2. One on his birthday. And another time. So, I've been there a lot. Only one time where he would actually remember because when he went before, he was too little to remember. So, he will be turning the big 5, so he will be going to school next year. And I'm kind of sad. Because my baby won't be at home with me anymore. So, I don't know. Alright, so. Right there. You know when you get food in your body, how you be. You know how you be, boo-boo. Stop playing. Ooh, excuse me, baby. Mwah. Okay. Okay. I'm good. I'll just eat this whole thing. Like this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys like this video if you enjoyed what I had in front of you guys. You know, you can eat with me. You can, you know. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, please. Become a part of my success. Don't mind my hair. I don't have to wash it. Okay. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. If you watch to the end, be the first to, let me think, be the first to leave a heart for love, and I will shout you out in my next video, period. And that's on that. For real, bro. Be the first to leave a heart, I'm gonna shout you out. For real. If y'all post at the same time, I'm gonna shout both of y'all. I'm kind of salty because I had a big seafood boil and I didn't record it. Because that shit, God. I was so thirsty to eat that, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm serious. I appreciate you. I see my subscribers going up. I see y'all. Y'all know I'm tired though. I just got off. I'm trying to have a good weekend. I'm about to go hop in the shower. Probably get on the toilet first. Hop in the shower. Wash my hair. And then relax, you know? It's this show that me and my boo watching. Always on me. Some stuff I would have never picked, but he picked it. So I said, okay, I'm gonna watch it with him. And I actually like it. It's different. It's different. Kind of like, it makes me feel like when I was watching Heart of Dixie. It's really different. It makes me feel good. I don't know. It's just not the same. It's like really interesting. So, yeah. But until next time, you guys, which will be not that long. Which will not be that long. I'm trying to hurry up for my boo come because he be tripping, y'all, and y'all know him. So if y'all don't know him, go look at previous videos, and y'all know how he act. Like, he be tripping. So anyways, you guys, until next time, peace.